Hey guys, welcome back to new video, and today I'm going to talk about AI will replace engineers, but who will replace AI? So make sure to watch the video till the end. So let's start. So I'm just going to read this summarized article because I have already mentioned a lot of things here. Okay, so I'm going to just read it out for you. So title is AI will replace engineers, but who will replace AI? We all have heard this headline, AI will replace engineers. It sparks fear, curiosity, and endless debate in classroom, conferences, and cafeterias. But let's flip the question. If AI replaces engineers, who will replace AI? The answer isn't just futuristic, it's strategic. And every student, especially in tech, should think deeply about it. So, firstly, let's talk about the inevitable truth: AI will replace jobs. Let's not sugarcoat it. AI is getting better exponentially. From writing code to designing UIs, from optimizing database to automating testing, AI can already generate front-end code from wireframes, suggest optimized algorithms, auto-complete entire functions, debug more efficiently than junior devs, create 3D models from prompts. Yes, entry-level roles are the first to feel the hit. Repetitive tasks automated, template-based thinking replaced, cookie-cutter output redundant. But here's the catch: AI isn't eliminating engineers, it's evolving it. The shift from engineers to AI enhanced engineer. AI won't replace all engineers, but engineers who use AI will replace those who don't. Welcome the age of AI native engineers, those who use AI to write cleaner, faster code, automate the boring so they can focus on innovation, leverage AI tools to prototype in hours, not weeks, understand prompt engineering like they once learned C++. If you are not using AI, you are already behind. Now to the core question: who replaces the AI? Or better, who controls it? First, the builders of AI, machine learning engineers, data scientists, algorithm designers, and prompt engineers. They are the minds designing, training, fine tuning, and upgrading the AI itself. Second, the strategists behind AI, product managers, system architects, UX researchers, AI ethicists. They decide why AI is built, how it's used, and what problem it should solve. Third, the creators who work with AI, developers who write code with Copilot, writers who co-create with ChatGPT, designers who iterate with Midjourney, entrepreneurs who build AI-powered products. Fourth, the visionaries who define AI's role, founders, futurists, investors, policymakers. These people won't replace AI, they will guide its evolution. You can't beat AI, but you can lead it. AI is not your competition, it's your tool, your team, your sidekick. But to lead AI, you need to more than just technical skills. You need system thinking, see the big picture, ethical reasoning, know what should be built, communication, explain AI in human terms, vision, imagine what's next. Students, here's your playbook. Master the fundamentals, know logic, problem solving, math, and real world application. These don't even never go out of style. Build AI fluency, learn how AI works, explore LLMs, neural nets, prompt engineering, model training. Third, create with AI. Don't just study it, use it, build apps to integrate AI, solve real world problems. Fourth, develop a product mindset. AI is a means to an end. Learn to build things that people actually need. Fifth, cultivate a human edge. Curiosity, creativity, empathy, these are the things AI can't replicate, never. And these are the things that could be your ultimate edge. The future human AI symbiosis. The winners of tomorrow aren't those who fear AI. They are those who collaborate with AI, understand it deeply, and build beyond it. AI might replace engineers, but those who create, guide, and redefine AI, they will never be replaced. So the real question isn't, will AI replace me? The real question is, am I ready to build what replaces AI? The future isn't man versus machine. It's man with machine versus man without. Here just you have to choose your side. So that's it guys, this was a wonderful article. I was reading one article, so I have summarized this in the single post. You can read it out, this post. I will mention link in the description. the things are being said in this article can quite impact your thoughts, and you should take care of these things as well. So that's it for this video. Go and read this article. I will mention in the description box. And if this video was informative to you, make sure to press that like button, and for more such content, make sure to subscribe. Until next time, keep building and keep exploring.